Exam. It has been indeed a long journey. It's our wish and prayers you enjoy good health until your last paper. From our desk, we join others to say success in your exam. Reporting from Nyakigogi Broadcasting Channel, I'm your host, Martin Yamongo. Back to studio.
The government is doing her best to ensure that they are compatible with the CBC curriculum. Monies from Michelle.
Learners in Nyakigogi Junior School are glad because the government is doing its best to ensure they are comfortable in the new curriculum. Many strategies have been put in place to ensure learners enjoy their stay in school. As more teachers have been employed, lockers have been made and books provided. We are thankful to all stakeholders. Our request to the county government improve our school infrastructure. Reporting from Nyakigogi Broadcasting. Back to studio.
Let's move away from that. Let's see what Miss has prepared for us.
What a man can do, a woman can do better. After the death of the Tanzania President John Pombe Magufuli in 2021, Samia Suluhu Hassan, the vice president, was sworn in the sixth president of Tanzania. She became the third female president in Africa and the third female president in Africa. Other leaders of Eastern Africa community congratulated her and promised to cooperate with her. It is also a pleasure to us to respect her position. A challenge to our girls with the support our First Lady, Madam Kwamboka. You can do better. Reporting from NBC, I am your host, Ian.
And lastly, let's dwell on sports.
Learners in Nyakigogi Primary and Junior School are really happy about the new curriculum and it's giving them opportunity to nurture their talent in different fields. In our school, our dear teachers are encouraging learners to participate in various clubs and journalism, debates, and other outdoor games like music, football, and athletics. Madam First Lady, we are really enjoying this curriculum. With your support, we are happy. We have a bright future. I welcome my colleague, Bwana Adrian, with more sport news. Yes, some few days ago, Brentford played with Manchester United, whereby Manchester United beat Brentford 2-1. Other side is that Norway beat Spain 2-0. It was so sad for that. Reporting from NBC, my host Adrian Moranga. Back to studio.
Felix Shingodi with business news.
The petrol price has been increasing continuously in our nation without any explanation to the people. Also in September, agriculture sector survey report released by CBK on Friday, sugar and cooking oil is price are expected to rise following the rise in electricity costs and high importation. On the other hand, rice, beans, and green grams are also set to increase owing to low production in farms. Reporting from NBC, I'm your host, Felix.
Thanks to my editor, Polkap Akiba, and welcome you, Madam Excellency Kwamboka.
Let's clap for those people. Thank you very much. Our next item will be Shairi from still the primary school.
Kenya ina makabila 42 na pia nyingi aila twazienzi kweli kweli, ila ninayoona ya kera yangu akili, ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. Mkenya kuitwa heri, sitaki kuitwa wewe, na waza kutafakari, nataka nielewe makabila yamejisi langu lipi niambiwe, ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. Nimezaliwa mjini, kasomea Uingereza, lugha yangu sikieni Kiswahili Kiingereza. Nimekaa kule pwani, kidigo pia naweza, ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. Baba yangu ni Mluya na mama ni Kikuyu, shangazi na Ulaya amlikuzwa Makuyu, na baba ananiambia mwanajeshi kisimani, ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. kabila gani? Kila kabila sifai, la haja ya unigani. Kikamba siking'amu, sasa niongee nini? Ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. Kijana watoka wapi? Mjaluo wa Bungoma. Waongea lugha ipi? Kimasai cha Msoma. Na ulizaliwa wapi? Meru karibu Kagera. Ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. Na shuleni nikifika, ukabila siuoni. Kiswahili cha tukuka wanakisema jamani, na Kiingereza hakika kinafunzwa darasani. Ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya. Tamati mie natua, naondoka jukwani, na tuwe na umoja nia ya kuishi kwa amani. Tusijali asilia wala tabaka la nani. Ndiposa nimeamua heri kuitwa Mkenya.
Thank you very much. Our next item will be from the high school.
Our item is a recorded song for our school. We collaborated with the students and the teachers. So mtaisikiza, kuna wengine wako exam, but we just sing with this one.
That's the beat on these ladies and
Wanyabantu yabono kikikuba kita mwamwe kariarule okonyora kabeza kanyura ekirani muinaganya kurtagete omuchaya mubwate gosenchieke omuchaka gosoma mananya omuchayo kongere namwamu madarau kipule motumane mpeye yabono dikiutogeto wanyabantu babono gogongogeto wenikobo mobaine unege susu otige kwerinda unege sutu eriso de bimeriende mutu otwaro mobaine bakasumutu inyora nyasaye moyare ekukoriyaye kunyonyore yabono yabile kore guikoye gremorano insuye yabono yabile chancha guikoye gremorano ekomoye sekire jogokora ugudane gogo sabatora nyasaye nero kurumasaba manyabanta banyaibero batoga ekomoye sekire jogokora ugudane gogo sabatora nyasaye nero kurumasaba manyabanta banyaibero batoga Avanta tanke bakuro moyo bepiro moyo ya moyo kama mundo wachayo moyo watata kondo mwalera moyo amonto babono wachire mora tuamini monto wasore mere bimo monto wachire mo ta kolora ye bune marimo ati paisi mpuate nige wansa una tuamini monto na wewe monti tobeto magote ya somo nguru inero tomaite imela isiko ya bono ya mende kore goikoye gremorano Insiye ya bono ya mende chanche goikoye gremorano Ekomoye sekire jomokora Uguyane gogo sabatora Nanya nero kuruma saba Manya wanta wanyaibero batoka Ekomoye sekire jomokora Uguyane gogo sabatora Nanya nero kuruma saba Manya wanta wanyaibero batoka
So that will be the end of our entertainment. Back to you.
We can have a better clap than that one. More tougher, more harder. Let us clap for the first lady. She's not just a simple lady. She's not just a simple lady, girls. We are represented, man. Oh, that is okay. That is now better. So, welcome. Let us now go direct to the program. I wish to invite our brother school, the head teacher from the primary section, Mr. Ondieki, who will lead us through the program as it unfolds. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, Madam Deputy Principal Bishop Mugendi High School, Your Excellency, First Lady, the members of the County Assembly who have accompanied Her Excellency, the Principal Bishop Mugendi, Deputy Principal, members of staff for both schools, secondary and primary, our senior learners from Bishop Mugendi, our junior learners from Nyakegogi Dioke Primary. God is good. All the time. And all the time. God is good and that is nature. Wow. Your Excellency, kindly, before I give my speech, may I take this opportunity to introduce my staff. Kindly, if you can come, so that if you meet somewhere in the county headquarters, you can easily tell she's a teacher from Nyakegogi. Kindly, if you can come. Those who are here, kindly. I may not give you the mic because of time. Madam Deputy, please move this way. Your Excellency, I have a staff of about 30, a population of 1,059. Yeah, that's Madam Sarah, Madam Rose, Mr. Thomas, Madam Dina. Can you go as I introduce you? Mr. Osoro, Mr. Onkoba, Madam Divina, Madam Lynette, Madam Irene, Madam Irene, Madam Alice, Madam Gesare, who happened to be my student some time back, Madam Beatrice, Madam Yukabet, Madam Kirwa, Mr. Andrew, Madam Sheba, Madam Nora, Madam Mercy, Madam Naomi, and my deputy head teacher. Yes, makofi kwa watu nyinyi wabaya hata. Yes, I also have a representative of the board, Mr. Vincent. Where are you? Mr. Vincent. Oh, ni kama ameenda kwingine. Mr. Vincent, you can salute from there. Good. Your Excellency, First Lady, Nyakegogi Dioke Primary School has a population of class 8, 137. We have 68 girls and 69 boys. For grade 6, we have 58 girls and 54 boys. That makes a total of 112. So the total candidature this year is 226 sitting in the same center. As a school, we appreciate the effort made by the county government, especially in areas to do with ECD. The government has given us 2 teachers, and we are making a humble request that if we get 1 more, we shall appreciate plenty, because we have about 4 streams in that class. Alongside that, as a school, we have a challenge of water. Water is really a big challenge in this school, because the children have to come with jerry cans of water every morning for use. If we can be assisted along those lines, we shall appreciate. Otherwise, we welcome you to Nyakegogi. Feel at home. With those very few remarks, may I invite my colleague Principal Bishop Mugendi to continue with the rest of the program.
Thank you so much, my brother, our First Lady, and your team from the county, our teachers, our students, the media here. God is good, and all the time. Your Excellency, I'm Boniface Masese, the Principal Bishop Mugendi Nyakegogi. I am an old boy of Suneka Secondary School. I'm told our Excellency went through that school much later after I had left the station. So we are so happy that in your busy schedule, you've remembered to come and visit us, say hi, and I'm seeing some boxes being arranged here probably we shall be able to get something. So Bishop Mogiani Kegogi is one of the most popular schools in Sameta sub-county. We have about 1,200 students, 600 girls, and almost 700 boys. We have a boarding section of around 700 students, and then we have the scholars. So you can see it is a school that has got more challenges because those are the 4 schools in one. We have a challenge of land where we've assembled. This is a common pitch. We use it with our brothers in the primary section. Our administration block and the classes are on the other side. And what we have here is the dormitory for the guys. The boys' dorm is those old structures. They are within the administration section behind the classes. So we have got a challenge of land. And at the same time, if you look at our fences, they are not so good. If we can do something to improve the fencing, we shall really appreciate. We have a borehole that was made by the CDF some years back, but unfortunately, it's like the feasibility studies that were done were not so good. Currently, we don't get water from the borehole. Actually, when it is not raining, we use our bars to fetch water from the river. So I know your office is busy, you have so many issues to attend to, but if you can squeeze and get us a new borehole, it can assist both the primary and the secondary. So we are also having challenges of sanitation because of the population and the space. Probably with the time, if the county government can be able to chip in, such that after we've had the water, we can have a system, a sewage system. It could be so good for us because putting up the pit latrines, actually all over, around the school, we've put up so many, we don't know where we are going to put up the next one. So there are so many challenges, but those are the main ones. And we hope if we can be assisted in one or two of the challenges, we shall really boost us. So with me here are a few teachers. We are going on with the exams. The other teachers are in classes, invigilating the students. So I could wish the few who are here to come in front. When you go to town, you have a problem, if you can go into the offices, you can get assistance. So this is the team that I have. I want my deputy to introduce them very fast by name. Don't give them the mic.
I know quite a number, but unfortunately you are joined with other 4 recently. So if I get to them and you find that I'm starting to stammer, I'm not a stammerer, but that would be the reason. Mr. Hamisi, Mr. Sam, Kennedy, Mr. Pascal, Mr. Cosmas, Mr. Tiberius, Mr. Witty, Madam Winnie, Senior Teacher Mr. Mogusu, Mr. Umboto, Mr. Tony, Madam Doreen, Mr. Monene, Mr. Iko, Madam Lynette, sorry, and Mr. Momanyi. Myself, I'm Ruth Owendi Indai, the Deputy Principal in charge of administration. We are 2. I have my colleague on the side of academics, Mr. Wafula, who was not able to join us, is running the school while we are here. Thank you so much. Back to the principal.
Thank you so much. We have quite a big number of teachers, 4 TSC teachers and 10 BOM teachers. So we are quite a number. I want to close my remarks by appreciating the county government. We received 1.4 million in terms of bursaries. Recently, I was sharing with the ward admin and the PA to our MCA, and they have plans of improving the road that is coming to our school. We shall be so happy when that one is done. However, as the chair, Kesha in Sameta Sub-County, we are starting exams. Actually, rehearsal is being done on Thursday, and I'm lucky that I'm near the container. But I sympathize with my colleague principals who are in other places far from the container. Our roads are not so good. NEC has changed the rules of doing exams this year. We shall have to go to the container twice in a day. So I'm sympathizing with those colleagues of mine who are coming from far and whose roads are so bad. If something can be done within the remaining days so that those roads are improved to enhance movement, we shall really appreciate. Thank you so much, and I feel most welcome. The word admin, maybe you come and you see how to run the remaining part of the program. Asante sana.
Thank you, Principal. Our First Lady, County Assembly members, our ward admin, walimu, wanafunzi, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Muko na furaha? Ni mzuri. Kwa majina mimi naitwa Morris Marube, mimi ni Sub-County Administrator wa Bovasi. Our Excellence, my duty is just to introduce the County Assembly, Kisii County staff, and we invited the County Assembly member, the area member, to come and invite or continue with the program. I take this opportunity to welcome you to Bovasi and especially to Past Church Ward. With me, I got the ward admin by the name Daniel. He's the ward admin for Past Church. Let me just take this opportunity to wish you all the candidates good luck in your exam. Is it? Yes. Thank you. Now, we have the area MCA, Honorable Sambo. Mnamfahamu? Yes. Si tumpigie makofi ndikuwa akuja aongea na sisi. Karibu. Mheshimiwa, karibu.
Asante kwa. Your Excellency, my colleagues, honorable members, the county staff, principal, head teacher, all teachers na wanafunzi, hamjambo? Are you happy? Mko na furaha? Niko na furaha kuwashinda kwa sababu hii ndio shule yangu nilisoma. Nilianzia nursery. Time yetu tulikuwa na nursery hapa chini, ilikuwa nyumba ya matope. Hapa chini ndio nilisoma, hatukuwa tunavaa viatu. Naona kila mtu hapa amevaa viatu. Hiyo time yetu hatukuwa tunavaa viatu. So, nikasoma hapa from hiyo nursery class 1 mpaka class 8. Ile class ya mwisho huko ndio nikapita, nikapata marks nilipata. Nikaona sitaenda shule nyingine. Lakini ni ya form 1 hapa. Hapa naona ndio mahali boys wanalala. Hapo ndio nilisoma, hizo ndio zilikuwa class yetu. Hapo ndio nilisoma form 1 mpaka form 4. Nikafanya bidii, nikapata marks mzuri, nikaitwa Maseno University. Si ndio? So, kitu nataka kuambia, ile bidii unaweka mwenyewe. Na walimu wako wote wana consult, ufanye bidii kabisa, utapita, ufanye vizuri sana kwa mtihani. Si ndio? Ndio maana nimekuja hapa. Kwanza kabisa nakushukuru your excellence. You did a wonderful thing because we have so many schools. Hata sasa ndio maana mnaona tuko na wakati kidogo, akimaliza hapa ataenda ward zingine. Nikamueleza, nikamuomba please, kuna shule nilisoma naomba iwe ya kwanza kozi atakuja kutembelea simu zote. Lakini tuanzie hii shule yetu. Sasa amefanya vizuri. So simpigie makofi kidogo. Sawa sawa. Sasa kwa sababu ya muda nachukua fursa hii niite waheshimiwa wenzangu, ama colleagues, elected leaders, those who are around. I see Honorable Nata Lonkoba, Honorable Sonia was coming on the way. Atakuja to join. Honorable, kuja usalimie wananchi, wanafunzi na Walimu.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Wanafunzi hamjambo? Wanafunzi hoi. Wanafunzi tufanye hivi. Kila mwanafunzi afanye hivi. Hiyo ni ishara gani? Hiyo ni ishara gani? Ishara ya ushindi. Tuko pamoja? So tumekuja pamoja na Excellency First Lady ili tuweze kuwaombea mema wale wanafunzi ambao wanaenda kufanya mtihani. Hebu nione kwa mikono ni wangapi ambao watafanya bidii, siku zimebaki. Haya, mikono chini. Hebu nione ni wangapi watapita hiyo mitihani yote. Asante sana. So mnapoona viongozi hawa wamesimama mbele yenu, they have come to stand with you, pray for you and wish you well as you sit for your examinations. Pamoja? Your Excellency, I want to thank you very much for choosing to come to this school to wish these little boys and girls success in their academics. The whole of yesterday we were in Nyacheki, Bas Central, Masige na kwingine mpaka Bas Bogetaurio, na leo ako hapa. Simpigie makofi. Imetosha. Mumuro tunalebuya. Bale ngala mwanjete. Risasi. Omoterere. Bale ngala tangetegoja kwenda China. Your Excellency, they are saying,
Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Aye Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne.
Your Excellency, these little boys and girls are saying, when they grow up, they will want to go to China. The boys will want to marry from China, and also girls will want to be married in where? They'll get governors and presidents, isn't it? Thank you very much. I'm Honorable Naftali Onkoba, MCA representing the good people of Nyacheki, na pale County Assembly mimi ndio chairman ya masuala ya wafanyikazi wote county nzima. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Huyu mheshimiwa tuko naye hapa anaitwa Mheshimiwa Beatrice Makwae. Anatoka Bombava, Borabu. Alipigiwa kura vile wengine tulipigiwa, akashinda wanaume wengi. So ladies, girls, mnasikia hiyo mambo? Fanya bidii. Wewe jua Mungu kesho anakufanyia nini. Asante sana. Wacha wasalimie.
Thanks mheshimiwa. May Kwamboka Simba, Your Excellency, and all protocols observed. The Lord is good. All the time. Yes, God is great. Praise the name of the living God. Tumusifu Yesu Kristu. Thank you. Beatrice. He pronounced my name as Beatrice Mheshimiwa. How many times do I tell you to pronounce my name correctly? I'm Beatrice Kerupo Makwae, one of the MCAs of the Kisii County Assembly. Tumekuja sisi wote kuomba na nyinyi. Vile mnavyojua Mungu akitangulia kila kitu kinakuwa sawa. Hivyo tunaomba kwamba wakati wa mitihani mbingu ishuke ikae hapa na mfanye mitihani vizuri. Barikiwa. Vile mumeambiwa kwa kaunti yote, by the way kwa Kisii yote, Kisii na Nyamira, kuna mwanamke ambaye amechaguliwa mmoja MCA ambaye amesimama mbele yenu. Kuna kijana hapa alisema kwamba what man can do. Yes, let's stand and do things better. Be blessed.
Asante sana. Language tunasema mother tongue interruption. Mama itese ita toko rangeringa vitu hivi. Lakini sasa nimeshika ni Beatrice. Huyu ni mheshimiwa anaitwa Richmond Manani kutoka Bogetutu. Wacha wasalimie na yeye.
Wanafunzi na wasalimu wa mjambo. Hebu shika hivi mkono juu ya hewa hivi. Basi, asante sana. Sasa mimi vile mmesikia majina yangu, najulikana kama Manane Richmond Rayori, nawakilisha ile kata ambayo inaitwa ward ya Bogeka kutoka eneo wakilishi bunge ya Kitutu Chache Kusini. Langu mimi ningependa kuombea la kila laheri, muweze kufanya mtihani yenu vizuri na muweze kupita. Tumeambiwa mheshimiwa alisomea hapa na alipita, sasa amesimama mbele yenu. Wacha nimeona watoto hao wadogo hawana wambia mure. Mwaru mugati mwase. Hayo. Ngote bigumore. Hivi interviews nafikiria wacha niongee kwa Kiswahili. Tumekuja hapa sababu moja. Mnajua ni sababu gani? Tumekuja hapa tuko na first lady na mwenye ametutuma tukuje hapa ni gavana. Mnajua gavana wa Kisii County ni nani? Kila mtu asema Simba neta haya. Simba neta haya. Basi, eta haya morote tegie ngie kunyura baka abana bari school. Bari rimu arocha ariko tekorima. Bari rimu arocha ariko nyasera bayiburu bo. Bona yaikire ni numa waserwa. Pero oigo. No como akara 5 miliones. Basi. Na Simba agotebariga abana kibese kibo kibo oira niye basari so iga abarimu ngagete walimu musiwe na haraka ile ya kufukuza watoto nyumbani. Saa zingine wote tu wasome basari. Sasa haya, mimi nimeomba hivi, kwa sasa maisha ni ngumu, lakini nimeomba kwa wanyenyekevu tu, walimu, tafadhali, huyu mheshimiwa hapa ako na basari. Watoto, unajua sisi gavana wetu anasema in fact amejisacrifice, amewacha pesa mingi, hata hakuna matumizi ile ovyo ovyo. Ndio unasikia mawe mawe mawe, kwa sababu ameenda amefunga ile mfereji ambayo ilikuwa inapoteza pesa ya wananchi. Ameleta ameweka kwenye basari. Watoto wafanye nini? Kwa hivyo mkiambiwa kama saizi, tafadhali kama kuna mtu ako na balance, waache tu saizi wafanye mtihani, lakini in the next 2 weeks forms zinakuja za basari. Ndio? Na kwa haka na chinko uende. Kwa hivyo, huyu mheshimiwa wenu, oni mama yete, oba kumimbura asigete, kanya kumu wikange. Wasabono? Abaye basa, nitaibo? Yanti gere, estima ya hiri national government, na acha hata hivyo mchumbe, ama acha arongo kuwa nirare, geta ibuone. Otherwise, asante sana, Mungu awabariki. Na gavana wetu anawapenda sana. Asante.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Niliwaambia mheshimiwa mwingine anakuja, ndio yako kwa njia anakuja. Nikumpea dakika moja ya moja yemo anyakoya pia mono sana. Muno mwalimu ateba skuru na tema sana agaiga abana muna mwenga abange nande baga apply chi basari buya tuanyorete 1.4 million. Anda abumbo no ritu abwate nga 3 million. Bono ntuamenta tachibesa chinyinge uyopunga bono ntoche tomenta chibesa abana baito banyore nari baragenda. Mheshimiwa karibu sana. Ndio monase. Bono chi project ne chinyinge toracha kokoraki toracha kubakorera agaiga. Kuna bono skulu gana manage kubiri class GCD contract neche yaguchi chinga kiechu acha nse wa che class igaiga. Ne chonto je tori ngiringa kitoku aga. Ngora. Na ne getie ke nindo chabuna kere. Ochie budget yigo chogochi nga kire motu. Toche torre ngato rate kire kitaka ke kore leveling. Ari mona nyanda na sumo goche. Sara tari waigo. Pia mono sana ko baye chinga kichire chinke yange mheshimiwa bakwani. Ili tokenda na ne process. Mheshimiwa karibu.
Amjambo.
Hamjambo? Asante. Kwa majina naitwa Joseph Sonyo Ndari. Mimi ni mwakilishi wa mjumbe katika upande wa Sameta Mkwerero wote. Mnaijua? Wangapi wanatoka upande hiyo? Kwa hivyo kuna watu ambao wananifahamu. Oh, good of you. Form 4 mko wapi? Form 4 mko? Are you prepared? Kitu tu nawatakia ni ile kitu wanaita success. Hiyo inamaanisha nini? Ufanye vizuri. Standard 8. Mko pamoja? Na hivi mkono nione. Oh, good of you. Na mimi nawatakia kila laheri katika mtihani wenu. Grade 6. Na nyinyi mko? Hebu nione. Oh. Sawa sawa. Ninajua na nyinyi, wacha niwaambie ya kwamba mfanye bidii muendelee mbele. Hata zaidi ya yote, vile mheshimiwa ameongea na waheshimiwa wengine, sitaki kuenda nje ya hayo. Kitu tu tumekuja tuwatakie mema, na wale ambao pengine na wale sasa wako karibu kumaliza mtihani, mkimaliza tafadhali shika kura. Bwate kura. Kero mwabwatire kura, mheshimiwa uyo momorengera libobe gachira aretira abageniga mukora morengera libia. Yasabe na inu
Biamon. Asari assembly to cholere 45. Mheshimiwa Sonyenera the only wakili, a lawyer. Igamangana yo machikari nero gotonya goto banga. Ona ko baye chingaki. Let me take this opportunity to welcome our excellency Madam May. Thank you so much.
Simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka.
Good morning. Good morning again. How are you today? You are fine. I can see you speak good English. Than you and your MCA here. He told me he has been here since nursery, up to Form 4. Do you want to be a leader like him in future? Yes. So you clap for him. Thank you. I want to introduce the nominated MCAs who are here with me. Those are nominated leaders in the assembly. What have you seen them in common? Huh? They are fat. You could not say they are beautiful. Yes. Are they beautiful? Yes. But they are fat. Yes. They are eating too much. Yes. We are going to bring you the food they are eating. I want to introduce you. I want to give one person to introduce them, and I give two people to speak. The Maris, come and introduce them. You and Mama Sanaya will talk.
Good morning. Beautiful boys and girls, how are you? Yeah, nataka nichukue hii nafasi kuleta waheshimiwa wenzangu wawaambie majina. Good morning. Hii shule mko na baridi. Sisi tumeenda hii shule ina baridi. Fanya nini? Waletea jampa. Ndio mko na baridi, si shule baridi, ndio baridi. Hapana, pull up your socks. Msikaribishe wageni hivyo tena, sawa? Good morning. Good morning, madam. Kwa majina anaitwa Brenda Kengere, nominated MCA, Kenya Social Congress.
Good morning. Mbona hawajibu? Thank you. My name is Ruth Nyagechanga, nominated by Jubilee Party. Good morning.
I'm nominated by Mandela Chapter.
Is she fat?
Good morning. My name is Maria Musa, nominated by ODM.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning again. My name is Nicholas Orina. I'm nominated by the UDF party. And I would like to take this opportunity to wish the candidates success in your exams.
Good morning. Tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Milele na milele amina. I'm Honorable Gaudensia Nyang'anga. To all candidates, I wish you all the best.
God is good all the time. I'm Gaudensia Moran, nominated by ODM.
She's fat. Have you heard? God is good and all the time. From force away. From force away. Yes, changamukeni kiasi because you are going to do exams, isn't it? Yes, and I know Bishop Mogendi Nyakeyogi is a smart school. You have been working smart. At this point, I'm sure you've been prepared. We cannot tell you that work hard now. You are ready for the exam, which is about to start in a few days' time. So we have come here to wish you a lot of success. Do your best. When I remember time back when I was a student, one teacher really encouraged me to work hard. He could come to class in the morning, and I remember he was a geography teacher, and they could tell us that stop being those kind of women in future who would be standing at the door when you see your husband or your sweetheart going out, then your work is to keep on asking for money. Kiberiti, sukari, sabuni. So girls, work smart and have your financial independence so that even when you get married, ukienda huko unaenda na gari, wacha kuenda huko na ukitembea na pikipiki ama na mguu. Enda huko kama uko na gari. And the boys, you also work hard so that you don't marry girls who are not married. I wish you a lot of success for 4th, class 8 and grade 6 students. And above all, put God first. Thank you.
Pia anatafuta mkisoma vizuri ako na vijana. Hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Kwa majina naitwa Isabella Nyaboko Igara, natoka huko South Mugirango. Grade 6, standard 8, form 4. No, I share all the best. Asante. Yes, hello. Hello. Yes. I'm Helen Nyamoita Misati, nominated by UPA. I represent persons with disability in our county. Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon once again. My name is Lilian Yakari Sandola. I come from Bomachoge Borab constituency, nominated by ODM, of course. I want to pass this message to Form 4s at the same time to Class 8, also Class 6. I've been a lecturer for a long period of time, more than 10 years. I've been teaching the University of Nairobi at the same time as ZTech. For those who are going to sit for the Form 4 examination, number one, I want to wish you all the best. Make sure you work hard. At the same time, make sure you revise, because you cannot be able to pass the exam without revising. Take your time, spend your time well. At least you get the next papers for the past like 5 years. You go through those papers for each and every subject. you can be able to pass, because most of the examiners, they repeat the questions. I wish you all the best na mbarikiwe sana.
God is good all the time. Form 4 side. Hi, Form 4s. Mine is a one message to the Form 4s, mostly girls. You won't make it to be a first lady if you won't be disciplined. You must be disciplined. When you are disciplined, you automatically work hard. When you are disciplined, you work hard, you are able to succeed. So the girls who are going to do exams, that after the exams, you must be disciplined to get a better man. So the Form 4s, grade 6 and class 8, I wish you all success. My name is Vanis Mora, nominated by ODM, Ambassador of Simbarati. That's why we're here to motivate the students to work hard.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. My name is Grace Ongwae, nominated by Kenya National Congress. And we are here, yes, to motivate all the students. But I also want to pass a message to the boys. Everybody is telling the girls that if you want a good man, you have to work hard. I also want to tell you, the boys, unless you're disciplined from now, and you also work very hard, nobody will want you. So don't think you're going to be automatically good men without being disciplined and without working hard. You will be the ones out there on the road. If you want to start understanding yourself now, ukijaribu, you are headed to the wrong direction. So work hard, remain disciplined as you join the girls in the encouragement to be disciplined. Otherwise, I want to wish all the candidates success and God's blessings.
Our pastor mpendwa, walimu wetu wapendwa, wanafunzi nimewasalimu amjambo. Mimi ni Patseva Sanaya, natoka hapa Buvasi na nimeletwa. I'm special elect by the party known as UPA. Why have we come here? Ni kwa sababu gani tumekuja hapa watoto? Tumekuja hapa kwa sababu tatu. Sababu ya kwanza ni kwa sababu gavana wetu ambaye ni Simba anapenda watoto na anaamini ya kwamba mtu atakuwa na umuhimu ambao kila mtu atafutiwa kwa sababu amesoma vizuri. Na ametutuma kwa sababu anajua mwanaume kupata mwanamke mzuri lazima asome, aende kuleta mzungu kama yeye alienda akaleta mzungu ambao is highly landed. Tena tumekuja hapa kwa sababu Simba anataka kuona kesho ya watoto wetu katika Kisii County, sana sana Bovasi, wakimetameta na mahesi kwenda ma university. Are you ready to do it? Na shukrani ya kipekee mutapatia mpendo wetu Simba ni kufanya vitu vizuri na kupita mtihani. Can you promise me? Yes. Wengine watatu, where are the candidates? Can you promise me? Yes. Watoto wetu tumekuja kuwaombea, tunawatakia heri, tunawatakia Mungu asuke siku hiyo, akusike kabisa na upite vizuri. Are you with me? Yes. Tena watoto wetu mkienda nyumbani, mwambie Simba Rati kipenzi ya Kisii County. Muwasalimie, tena mumwambie waendelee kufikiria Simba arudi miaka 5, akimaliza miaka 5 awe president ya nchi hii. Asante.
Hello. Si mumeona vile wako? Si mumeona wako poa poa, si ndio? Si mumeona warembo? Sasa nataka boys mfunge tu masikio 1 minute. Girls hi. Wasichana. Muko? Sasa nataka niwaambie kitu moja. Take care of yourself. Fanya nini? Yes.
Wewe vile uko hivyo, wewe ni dhahabu. Wewe ni nini? Vijana, fungueni masikio. Vijana, those girls, hao wasichana wenye mumekaa nao, huyo ni dada yako. Huyo ni nani? Usimwaripie maisha. Usifanye nini? Kila mtu amewaambia mfanye bidii na mpite, si ndio? But mimi nawaambia I instill kuwa character yenu iweze kuwa mzuri. Iweze kuwa aje? Kwa sababu unapopita na A- and you don't have manners, you are useless. Wewe utakaa mtu umechakaa, si ndio? Kwa sababu hautajua nini. Na mumeambiwa wasichana, wacha kuomba pesa ya bike ukienda date. Tulieni. Ongeza bei. Fanya nini? Vijana, wacha kuitaita watoto wa watu na bike. Hebu kana demu mwenye siku ingine 10 years from now atakwambia tukutane restaurant fulani. Tumesikia? Si mambo ya mtu anakusumbua na 50 bob ya bike, si ndio? Take care of yourself. Na nyinyi watoto wadogo tunawapenda sana, si ndio? Now for the candidates, nataka muinue hivi mkono tuongee hii one statement. I'm the best story. God help me. Mungu awabariki. Sasa kabla nitoke, huyu MCA wenu tunatoka na yeye pati moja. Na mimi nilikuwa mtu wake wa mkono, si ndio? Na anajua tu, nilikuwa hapa kama mtu wake wa mkono. Nanyi pia, yeye peke yake ni historia mzuri. Si amesema ametoka hizi shule. Sasa next let us have an MP coming from this school, even a governor another time. Si ndio? Mungu awabariki, wacha tupe first lady atuendeleze. Welcome first lady.
Did these fat ladies spoke well? So are they fat now? No, they're not fat. You know, your body is God-given. So don't matter is fat, slim, you love yourself. Right? I want to get the head boy for class 6, class 8, and form 4, and the head girl. Do you have? Come. You are now electing the head boy. You don't have a head boy? Come. And the head girl?
The president.
What class
You
are
come
you?
to the front.
Come in front. Why did you sit down? Why did you sit down? You don't have a girl from class 8? Where is she? Oh, you are class 8. You are? Form 4. Form 4? And you? Class 8. Where is class 6?
Class 6 prefect.
Class 6? Are you good in class? Are you good in mathematics? Huh? Why are you laughing at them? What are you good at?
In mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay. And you?
Science.
Science? Oh. CIE?
Social studies.
Social studies. English.
Computer.
Computer.
Science.
Which class are you? But of grade 6, I have 2 people here. What are you in grade 6? Perfect. And you? Huh?
Governor.
You're the governor. And you?
The head guy in grade 6.
Okay, now come here, grade 6. Come this side. I can see the whole class is complete. I'm asking only a small card. How many girls do you have in your class?
Girls. There are 29 girls.
29 girls.
Pen.
How many boys do you have in your class?
32.
32. How many boys do you have? Class 8? 96. How many girls do you have? 19. 19. No, I'm looking for the whole grade. Do you know whole grade? Yes. How many? Boys. 32. The whole stream. Teacher, go back there. The whole stream. Huh? 6.
More than
No, only boys. Keep quiet. Be silent. Keep quiet. You, as a governor, how many boys do you have? 72. So you are guessing. How many girls do you have? The whole stream? 54. 54. Girls or boys? And the total? Total? Boys and girls? Boys and girls. Yes. Are you going to be quiet? Yes. Boys and girls? 110. 110. You, how many boys do you have?
69.
69. How many girls do you have? 68. 68. In total you have? 107. 107. 106 girls and boys?
141.
141. In total you have?
278.
278. You're not good in computer. 277. Have you seen girls are doing better? I want to see where are the class 6. I want you to show up your hand. From this line up to the end, say 1.
Only the grade 6 should say the numbers. Grade 6 peke yake ndio wanahesabu. Tuanze kutoka hapa chini tena. 10 here. Continue. Say 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Say 21. Good brother. That's 59.
Anyone has not been counted? 73 here. Other 3 people here. 73. Huh? 83. Yes. So you are 83. Isn't it? Who is saying no? Who knows the exact number of class 6? Some are absent. We have earning class 8 who got the curtain right, and form 4. The 3 of you go back and work hard. You cannot be a leader when you don't know your people. You must know of them, you must know their right number. Are you getting me? You must know what your friends, your classmates, how many are they, you must know of them. That means after school, after exam, if you change another school, you will forget your neighbor. Will you forget them? So you must know them. I've come here to say hi to you and wish all candidates succeed on behalf of the Governor Simba Arati. When you go home, please say hi to your parents and tell them Governor Simba Arati has said hi. How many of you are going to do that? Thank you. Now that your MCA is here, I have seen a request letter to him. I thought it was for me, Kumbe it was for you. Honorable John Sambo. Who did this request letter? Come. You don't send a messenger, you come yourself. Tell Mashima what you wanted.
I sent a request from a scout. Uniforms.
Uniforms. For?
Scout.
Huh?
Scouts.
How many do you how many members do you have?
12.
12. Mashima, I know that one you can accept and give them.
Hii ni kazi kidogo, niko na waheshimiwa wenzangu hapa, tukishirikiana saa hii tutawasaidia, si ndio? Sawa sawa, hiyo request imekubalika.
Now, I'm seeing you guys are very quiet. Are you hungry? You are hungry? Who is hungry? Oh, you are hungry. Let me look for your cow so that you can be cooked for and eat. We'll start with Mheshimiwa Sambo. How much is a cow? Mheshimiwa Sambo has given 10,000. No. You're not happy. Are you happy? Can you cheer for him again? Yes. Have energy so that I can collect for you more. Whom do I look for? Huh? Head teacher. No. You know the head teacher is the one who's going to cook for you. Let me look for the visitors, right? I have come with. I'm looking for Mheshimiwa Sonia. let him search his pocket. Yes, Mheshimiwa Sonia has added you 5,000. See, the cow is now half. Not yet. Mheshimiwa knocked her from their checking. You know, the people who has money are men, isn't it? Mheshimiwa Richmond. Yeah, he gave me another 5,000. So now I have for you 25,000. Who else is giving me? Beatrice. No, Beatrice is broke. Mheshimiwa Beatrice, the only elected woman in Kisii County, has given me 5,000. So now you can say women can do better.
I can see they want to purchase a cow for 2 cows. No. These small ones are going home. Okay, mwalimu leta shilingi 5,000 yako. Yes, you should. Uwezi kusema ya kwamba unataka wakura hapa na ande you don't want to add anything. I know. Yes. He is one of the representatives of teachers in Kisii County. I'm adding the children of the lower classes.
Now that you have chaired Mheshimiwa Sonia well, he has added another 5,000 to make it 10,000. Especially for these small children. Your teacher and your head teacher has given 3,000 to add in your cow. This 3,000 will be used to buy tomatoes and onions. So now I have 37,000 here. Is 37,000 enough for a cow? Not yet. Mheshimiwa Damaris has said she's adding 3,000 to make it 40,000. Is now 40 enough for a cow? Again. That cow of yours must be coming from China. So now that I have 40,000, I've just told you, you go home and tell your parents who has said hi. I can't hear you. Another name of Simbarati? Same as Simbaletaya. Now let me add you the cow from Simbarati. Now, I'm adding you another 20,000. So in total we have 60,000. See, now the cow from China has come. Whom do I give this money to? The principal. How about the primary school? How about the primary school? They will share. Okay, the head teacher. Excuse. Excuse. I want to give 30,000 to the head teacher of the primary, and 30,000 to the principal of the secondary school, so that they can go and buy you each of your cow to share. And make sure you eat that meat and tell your parents, you have eaten cow from? Thank you. I'm told you have also a special school. Where are the children? I'm giving the teacher 5,000 to take care of these students. You add them some meat or something. Now that you are going to eat the cow, let me finish with you so that I can go to another school. I want the candidates to come and receive the gifts which was brought by Governor Simba Arati. He has brought for you geometric sets, and for the girls, he has brought for you sanitary pads. And for all candidates, you will get a success card from Governor Simba Grade 6. Grade 6. Come, I want girls 1-9 and boys 1-9.
Thank you.
Ase Cornelia Kabere niko turi ase skulu ya Bishop Mugendi ndiye kutoka ase county ya Kisii ase mugavana wa county ya Kisii gwetera the first lady May kwambuka arati kwanekia kwana success card amana geometrical set kuja ase aborokiwa bari bakora matemu abo asoma ko yiga 2023 bekraboni ga litko ya Kabere ase wiki ya Kabere imeye bunge ya Bubasi me county ya Kisii enere skuru entanganya Bishop Mugendi etwata kiresa bali tukuri rero na numuno konekiria asari ago korekana kurwa asensemo eiga na anene muno kwenekenga niyo tugakoretera amangana ari agasino korekana kurwa asti skuru wetera asumugavana we county ya Kisii kwenekenga kwana na success card geometrical sets and sanitary parts kutia ase abana abanyaruka abo bashakora matemu abo ase umakoiga anene muno ekirenge kenene ase itko eriga rero weka asensemo iga neringa ekero mugavana we county ya Kisii ekirenge kenene kyamwerete gukigo kwena na success card geometrical sets and sanitary parts kutia sa borikiwa abakora matemu makoiga kerenga chinka chinyinge tichiri kwenyara wose family chinyinge tichiri kwenyara ekero bana babo chokora matemu kwanza ni kama ni mechande menge muna geometrical sets and sanitary parts wocha ase chinga chitari kwa gavana wa county ya Kisii anene muno gwesokia na kwenekyanga sabana batoka ime county ya Kisii na kira chiskuru ime yakera award ije kutoka ime county ya Kisii nyonanga county ya Kisii ni ebwata chibodi merongene na isano echi kutoka ase county ya Kisii you got meeting we have 45 MCAs but were elected in 3 kuna botambe ndaracho gukora kenyosi ngwere bagaria bene gochi gosoma success gosoma success goso jume kura aso mugavana gocha ase abarokibwa abale asensemega like today Bishop Mugendi today the school wa primary asensemega grade 6 kwa bana matemwa asoma koiga standard 8 mota matemwa asoma koiga and the form falls that the far end na barakura ase Bishop Mugendi nyakigogi kurati nsemo chika itume ime yebunge Bubasi ime county ya Kisii tunabotame I want to give you the message from the governor His Excellency Paul Simbarati kucha ase aborokiwa bari bawo kora matemu abo asoma ko yiga 2023 wetera ase riuke yo success kadi otenga wishing you success in your exams to all candidates. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do anything, because you have the ability to achieve whatever you put your mind to. You can do it. Good luck. I wish you all the best in your exams. May your hard work, commitment, and dedication bring you to success. His Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the second governor of Kisii County. Unabotambe ndochiko kwanekeria asensemeiga unakawaita botambe tubire asensemeiga the far end ne first lady gasene kwana na ebye kura sumu governor ko chance candidates abo bakora mwako bakora matemo abo ase omwaka oyiga buna botambe ncheni konkuru konyito Dennis iringo kwenekerenga konyora amangana kura sense meiga nuri sense mu chibicha kwanekia konyora chibicha mase yemo chibicha chinkene nukukegima bana kuwekeria amangana igani akorwa Alfred Musa nigo akwanike konyora okwa chibicha chabene asense mo eyiga Kurende asense meiga bitukubeira te far end as the first lady she's giving success cards sanitary parts or towels on a geometrical sets to candidates the far end no the first lady agasene go take agasene kwana na the success cards and parts na the producer and the cameraman we are heading to the first lady una agasene kwana na this gift kuraso mugavana by county ya Kisii tatomera nanda asa skuru endo kuna botambe mya Kisii Hot TV
Are you happy? Yes. Now the small babies. Whom are you going to say hi? Who told you to go and say hi to your parents? Nani namesema salimia wazazi? Simba? Simba? Are you going to tell your parents hi? Now this soda and mukate are for you. But don't fight. Wait, Odea! Don't fight them. I want all of you to queue. Excuse. Nyamaza. Nyamaza. We have enough bread and soda. How many are there? No, this one. This is 200. Yes, just 240. What do you have?
Stop, don't take them. tupatie kamera. Watu watana.
Sawa.